खूबसूरत सी सुबह और एक संडे की सुबह। और सुबह आज एक ऑडियो भेज रही थी जिसमें लिख रही थी, बोल रही थी कि ये ऐसा संडे जो बहुत सारे संडेज से बहुत डिफरेंट है। और मुझे लगता है ये जो लॉकडाउन के कर्फ्यूज के संडेज रहे हैं, they have been quite different from all the other Sundays that we have come across in our lifetimes. And these Sundays are not the usual ones, with any party happening, with any get together happening, with we cooking for a set of friends who are going to come at home in the evening, or we going to watch a movie in the PVR or whatever else. Yeah. And how is it that we are showing up on these kind of Sundays? Yeah. And I was today in the morning, it was a different day for me. Different day in the sense each day is a different day. But the thing is that in 2 months' time, since we have all been at home, I think even this routine has somehow become quite a big challenge. Yeah. And sometimes there are very big challenges, and sometimes even a small challenge can be like very tough to go through. And that challenge could be getting up to the day and feeling very bright and happy. Yeah. And sometimes that challenge could be really grave. It could be about when thoughts have engulfed you, and things are not really good in the head. They might be good outside, they might be good in, like, at the outer level might be everything is good, but you're still finding it challenging to go through. Yeah. And how is it that anything, when it becomes a routine, it gives you some kind of a boredom? Yeah. And in that boredom, what is the spark that I can use? What is the spark that I can be? And what am I using to go beyond the challenge that I'm facing today? Yeah. So, what is your greatest challenge? The tiniest it could be. And what is the challenge that you're going through today? Yeah. Let's not have a technical talk. Let's have a talk of the heart. And what is that challenge? Can we have it from the participants, please? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, Ira. Let's have it from you.
Okay. I think the challenge is now, because now we are in level 2 and from tomorrow my schools are opening. So it's training your mind, because you have to welcome the parents and the families who are leaving their toddler. They're not toddlers, I mean, they're kindergarten children. They are 3 to 5 year olds, and they are, they will be looking forward to coming. And we have to, now it's not going to be the usual norm that they'll come running and they'll hug us and they'll just get up and they just, they are in our arms, when they come to kindergarten. So this time now we have to follow certain rules that parents have to come one at a time, and all the rules that we have to follow. Social distance, they cannot come there's a time space that we have to give them. They can't enter all of them together, like from the same gate. We have people who will be assisting them. It's going to be very different. So I was just kind of visualizing that how it is going to be. I mean, a child who loves his teacher more than I think his parents. Sometimes I see, like, so many times, not sometimes, so many times. So how is tomorrow going to be? So that was I was trying to visualize that how can we make it very normal, because we have to keep ourselves very calm, and we have to, at the same time, we have to, go by the norms also. We cannot just take things at ease. So that's my kind of an area where I am pondering over, and I'm trying to understand how are we going to do.
Amazing. Good to have that word from you. So what is the challenge that the others are facing? Yeah, let's have your latest. What is the latest challenge? Yeah, we have the latest news. So let's talk about the latest challenge that we are facing. Yeah, Manisha.
If I talk about my latest challenge is like, I try to be myself so disciplined. I was just trying to inculcate some new habits in me, and that is happening like since almost 60 days. But on and off, sometimes, when my mood swings happen, something or the other outer thing come into, in my thought process, in my system. So मेरा वो discipline जो मैंने खुद के लिए committed रखा है, वो हिल जाता है. Right? Yesterday only it got disturbed due to some of the other thoughts in my mind. So अभी उतना समझ में आ गया कि उस shit में नहीं रहना. So I come out of it. पर उसकी वजह से शायद एक दिन या आधा दिन भी अगर कहीं चला जाता है, तो अभी लगता है कि वो कितना precious है. Means how onto some single thought or something which I can improve later on, या वो किसी और का भी है, मैं अपना आधा दिन 2 घंटे 3 घंटे 4 घंटे कैसे खराब कर रही हूँ. That new thing was coming into my head yesterday only, and if I really wanted to say something which I really wanted to share, since I was not on call yesterday, since 3 or 4 days we were talking about investing time onto ourselves and writing a letter. It means we are just emptying our cup, right, to the only supreme power, means to whom we belongs, and that person, that supreme power, that God is belong to us 100%. We are just one with each other. So I was not writing letters or so, but yeah, I don't know, somehow I just pour my heart. Night before yesterday, I just pour my heart on the paper, and I come to know I was not able to write it more. Right? When I was starting writing, it was just half of page of gratitude only. Just a gratitude. That time I forgot all my pains and all. And yesterday when I had the same thing, some other thought came into my picture. Some of the other activities came. I just wasted my half an hour for that. I was so lazy around. That feeling of happiness was not there inside. I just took out the paper and the diary. I just wrote whatever it is there. And then I even found out myself कि वो आधा पेज से ज़्यादा मैं लिख ही नहीं पाई. Because when I started writing, though, it was just gratitude, I was just in a gratitude when I actually went to pour my heart. तो वो भी इतना precious था कि वो आधा दिन क्या था क्या नहीं था. It was just a choice I was making that time. So that was my challenge. तो choice make करना उस time पे जब कुछ भी आता है. In the right choice for myself where I'm blossoming. Keeping myself under control is what I am really finding. वो fraction of seconds पहले जो महीनों का था अब हफ्तों का होने लगा, अभी दिन का होने लगा, अभी आधे दिन का होने लगा. But I wanted to be so crisp for my choices now. So that is my challenge.
So amazing. Yeah. Who else will talk about a challenge that they are facing? The latest one.
Yeah. So,
Well,
Malvika, one of the latest, you know, challenges that I have been facing is very similar to what Vanshika was saying. That once I recognize that, I like spending time with myself and I like doing these things like, uh, sitting in silence or, hearing a talk or, something like that. Um, I desire to have more and more time on that, right? And obviously, there are other things also during the day. So all the other things which are worldly important, which need to be done, they're also a responsibility. Can't run away from them. But there's a challenge there. Like, there is no heart in it. It's like, okay, oh my God, okay, so today is my timeline. I have to do it, but if I have a choice, I will not do it, so I will probably, just sit and watch another video or spend some more time with myself. That's one challenge. The second challenge, if I may,
yeah, sure.
second challenge that I am kind of like just kind of surfaced today is I've been experiencing a lot of physical pain. The whole of yesterday I had this throbbing, smack in the middle of my head in this one line, and the only way that it would recede or it would relax is if I would put my fingers on it, right? And my God, the whole day it would not go away. So my challenge was that I was not able to comprehend, you know, that what is it that I'm holding on at my, body level that is giving me so much of consistent pain. This is one part. Another part is the, soles of my feet. They are like they throb and hurt when I put my feet on the ground, and there is no apparent, reason for it. So my challenge is wanting to spend more and more time with myself and balancing out other things. And the second is understanding, or the whole idea of understanding is to be able to do something about my physical pain.
Amazing. Great. Yeah, Priya, let's have it from you. Sunane, I can't hear you. Yeah.
Now it's okay. Yeah. So I was thinking about it for myself. What is the latest one? So for me, earlier it was I was maybe not spending time investing in myself. Now I could, thanks to you, because of these calls from last 2 months, I have surprised myself because I'm coming every day on these calls, taking out 1 hour for me, and that's not it. Before ending my day, I'm still investing in myself more. So reading or listening, so that is good. So now the new challenge is the physical activity, the imbalance between the mind activity and physical activity. So entire day I keep working my office work, and then I keep listening calls, keep reading books. So I'm investing in myself. So layers are getting clear, which I thought I am and which I am actually. Okay, but then physical activity is zero. I mean, I don't do anything. Earlier, before lockdown, I used to go out of home to office, right, to walk. So there was some physical activity also. So now it is all like mind and heart thing, and I'm investing time in myself, but sitting in a one place. So I want to have a balance between me doing some physical activity plus investing in myself this way also.
Amazing. Anybody else? Yeah,
Yeah,
Hita.
hi Malvika.
Hi.
Yes, the challenges which I am facing is the monotonous routine. And
Not
honestly, I was I realized that I was so much used to of my maid that she used to come and give me bed tea. And सबसे बड़ा challenge मेरे लिए ये था खुद के उठ के चाय बनाना. Apart from that also, you know, सबके mood swings. It's not about मेरे तो है ही undoubtedly, but सबके मतलब suddenly एक मिनट में सब ठीक होता है, then I'm like क्या हुआ क्या है लेकिन exactly what is it going on? And yeah, खुद के भी बहुत सारे mood swings that sometimes you feeling so, I mean, refreshing and so amazing about everything going around, and suddenly एकदम से लगता है ओ शिट क्या चल रहा है, हम तो लॉकडाउन में पता नहीं कब खुलेगा, when I'll go out, when I'll start working. So yeah, these are the challenges right now with
So
me.
good. So good.
One more. So
Yeah.
when Hetal said, so for me also, seeing the same faces around and seeing the same kind of talks around, that is also a challenge.
I know. कई बार दिल करता है यार इनको कोई रामलीला करवाओ घर वालों को.
ना I mean अपने में करते रहे तो अच्छा है, मतलब don't drag me into it.
नहीं मतलब तुम व्यू कर रहे हो अगर एक रामलीला को एज अ स्पेक्टेटर देखो तो फिर तो सब ठीक ही है ना. उसमें तलवार लेके उतरो नहीं, तब तो सब ठीक ही है. मतलब इफ यू जस्ट फ्रॉम द ह्यूमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि हाँ यार यहाँ कुछ चल रहा है, you get that.
Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
I'm telling this to Priya. Priya was saying that she's not doing any physical activity because she's in lockdown. I said maybe she is not doing the jharu pocha at home, which I think Indian houses they need every day.
Dishwashing is on me. लेकिन वो सीधा खड़े होते हैं, so I do all the dishwashing entire day, every day.
Shall I tell you that you should put some music on and start dancing while you are dishing?
Perfect.
So
And
nice.
nowadays this new
So
thing
good.
is coming on, everyone in the house is cooking and nobody wants to clean it. That is also a challenge. ये लॉकडाउन में सब रेसिपीज देखो, कुक करो, बट एट द एंड लाइक सब कुक करके है एंड देन लाइक क्लीनिंग पार्ट ओके.
So yeah, Anu, did you want to say something?
Yeah, like these girls were saying, like Hetal said, I think it is a big challenge, to bring entire household together and to, just carry them together is a big challenge. It's one of the major challenges. Yeah. And what challenge I face is like I have been investing a lot of time on myself for a very long time. But the biggest challenge I face is like I was a lot into writing, and somehow that took a backseat. And it's for past 4-5 days I have started, writing, and I'm gradually bringing myself again into, writing prose, poetry, whatever. But it's a big challenge I face because I've lost the, groove, I should say. So that's the biggest challenge I'm facing these days.
So have you lost the groove, or is that you have changed?
Probably. Earlier words would come very naturally to me. I didn't have to, sit and think and search for a word or something. But now I find it very difficult. It's becoming very difficult.
I could really experience that. I'm really, really fond of painting, and I'd got all my brushes and my watercolors along. When we came to the farm, and I've opened that up many a times, and somehow that's not been inviting in these days, and I was quite surprised because I think colors have kept me alive in all these years, and colors have substituted any of the like any of the pains that I was going through any of the traumas. The colors were the ones which were the soothing thing, and they were like giving me so much of solace and ease in myself. But I realized that it is so challenging when you see yourself change too. Yeah, because that change, you're not used to it. Yeah, and you keep wondering, What is it, and what is the change around? And you've done that all your life, and how come your responses are not the same? Yeah. So my sunny boy will just keep telling, Ma, you paint so much. Why don't you paint? I said, frankly, it's that inkling to paint is not there. So I know it can be very, very challenging to see you change also for the people around you, because they have seen you like that. Yeah. So they have seen, like he has seen his mother in a particular way. Not that, there is any trouble with the change that I have taken to. Yeah, there is, thank God, all is good. But the thing is that how to go through that challenge, yeah, and how to, if you do not have as bright a day as you desire to have, and it becomes such a big challenge for you to just go through that, and create a day which is lively, yeah, create a day which is like which you would look forward to, yeah. And I was realizing that whenever there's a challenge, what do we do? Yeah, because I'm sure all of us have faced n number of challenges in our lives, and each time, आज कुछ वो तो है, COVID-19 है, और ये एक नई चीज है बिल्कुल, और शायद अब पुरानी भी हो गई है थोड़ी सी, 2 महीने पुरानी होती है। जब शुरू में थे ना, तो उसमें भी एक नयापन था, उसमें रूटीन नहीं थी, है ना। उसमें शायद घर बैठना मुश्किल था लोगों के लिए, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, है ना। और आज शायद ये चैलेंजिंग हो कि आज घर से बाहर जाना पड़ेगा कल, दैट वे। सो इट्स द सेम पर्सन, the same situation, but the thing is, where are you in the whole thing? Yeah. And one thing I realized, that how much determination is required when there's a challenge in your life. Yeah, how much? Yeah. And the degree of determination that is so required for you to choose to get out of that challenge and choose something which is new, which is going to be productive, which is going to enliven you, yeah. Because सच में बताऊं कि जब दिल थोड़े से भारी होते हैं और वो चैलेंज ने आपको टेक ओवर किया होता है, तो वो 24 घंटे भी शायद बहुत बहुत भारी होते हैं निकालने के लिए, है ना। वो शायद 24 मिनट, वो 24 सेकंड ऐसे लगता है जैसे बरसों बीत गए उसमें, और यार इससे कब निकलेंगे, ऐसे करके। छोटा सा वाकया सुनाती हूँ। आई एम फ्रॉम द आर्ट बैकग्राउंड, और मैंने बहुत साल पहले 1995 में कैड किया, कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइनिंग, जब कैड यहाँ पे बहुत नया था। Hardly people had ever taken to that, yeah. And I was very lucky because I was doing my postgrad interiors, and that was a subject, it was tough, it was new, it was challenging, and I did it. And by the grace of God, I did it very well. और मैं देखती हूँ कि क्या रहता है कि वही कंप्यूटर, वही कीज, वही सब कुछ, डिलीट बटन बदले नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है कि राइट से लेफ्ट पे हो गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। The computers were the same. Yes, the PCs changed into a laptop, yeah, and it could be a lighter laptop, a Vaio, a Lenovo, a smaller version of it, but everything was same over the years. And I realized that I think in 2014, I started realizing कि यार इतना कुछ जो तुमने कंप्यूटर पे किया था, सीखा था, वो बिल्कुल जीरो हो चुका है, माइनस। और उसका रीजन ये है कि आपने कभी आपको उसको प्रैक्टिस करने का, आप चाहे कितने भी गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट रहे हो, जब तक जो चीज प्रैक्टिस करनी छोड़ दें, इट्स नॉट दैट वो आपके सिस्टम से निकल जाती है, मगर फिर भी उसको फिर उतनी मायरी करने में आपको कुछ वक्त लग जाता है, कुछ वक्त। And And that was a time where, can you believe it, I used to just think of technology and there used to be a short circuit in my head. You get that? सोचो टेक्नोलॉजी और ऐसे लगता था जैसे जैसे सारी तारे मेरे दिमाग की जुड़ गई हैं. You know, it was like that. Can you believe it? The laptop would come in front of me and my body used to freeze. Yeah. And I used to wonder what goes haywire. इस लैपटॉप पे आप काम कर चुके हैं, तब पीसी था, मगर इतनी दिमाग खराबी क्यों हो जाती है? और मैंने देखा कि वो चैलेंज जो है ना, दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ता जा रहा था. कोई मुझे कह रहा था कि तुम लैपटॉप पे बैठो, नहीं. कोई मुझे ये कह रहा था कि तुम्हें सीखना जरूरी है, दोबारा रिन्यू करना, रिफ्रेशर कोर्स जैसे करते हैं ना, वो जरूरी है, नहीं. मगर दिल की चाहना उस चैलेंज से बाहर जाने की इतनी भयानक हो चुकी थी कि वो मुझे चैन की नींदों से बहुत दूर ले गई थी. Yeah. And there were days and evenings, लैपटॉप को सामने रख के ना, तो दिल में तो आता था कि यार शायद इसके आसपास ऐसे धूप घुमा दूं तो शायद ये चल पड़े, you know. But the thing is कि वो धूप घुमाने से चैलेंज जाता नहीं है यार, करके जाता है. और ऐसा हुआ कि हमारी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड जो अमेरिका में है, वो थोड़े दिन बीतते थे तो बोलती थी that यार तुम्हारे स्टूडियो को पता है कितने साल हो गए हैं, तुम्हारा कोई फेसबुक पेज है? नहीं. तो तुम कौन सी दुनिया में रहते हो? हाँ, नहीं, स्टूडियो तो ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. हाँ, स्टूडियो ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, और तुम फेसबुक पेज क्यों नहीं है? तुम्हारी अटायर लाइन का फेसबुक पेज क्यों नहीं है? And obviously I started asking this question to me, and then what is it? We justify. So was I doing. है ना, ये ऐसे है, ये वैसे है, ये तैसे है. मगर वो अंदर ही अंदर खलबली इतनी ज्यादा थी कि यार एक फेसबुक पेज नहीं तुम आजकल की टेक्नोलॉजी के जमाने में बना सके. हाँ, एक स्टूडियो जो इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, why don't you desire to put it onto the world? The desire was very big to put it across to the world. मगर उस डिजायर को फलीभूत करने के लिए भी तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना. वो था टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखें. और टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखने के लिए मतलब मैंने कितनी जद्दोजहद करी होगी. मैंने क्या मेंटरशिप कोर्स, क्या ये, क्या वो, मतलब जिसको कहते हैं ना टिल का जोर. मैंने से व्हेन यू आर रेडी टू डू एनीथिंग, चीज तब आती है. तो ये 9 जून 2016 आ चुकी थी तब तक. तो वही मेरी फ्रेंड ने एक दिन बोला कि, मैंने उसको बोला नहीं यार, अब मैंने ठान लिया है कि ये जब तक फेसबुक पेज होगा नहीं ना अटायर लाइन का, अपने ने सांस लेना नहीं. और मुझे बहुत वो 9 जून 2016 मुझे कभी जिंदगी में भूल ही नहीं सकती. हम लोगों ने सब फैमिली ने कोटी जाना था छुट्टियों के लिए, या और हमें ये था कि हम उस फ्रेंड की हेल्प लेके फर्स्ट फेसबुक पेज, फर्स्ट अपनी जो पिक्चर है ऑफ द अटायर लाइन उस पे डालेंगे, है ना. वो बोले राइट तो हमें सुने लेफ्ट, वो बोले लेफ्ट वो हमें सुने राइट. हर चीज उल्टी. क्यों इतने ब्लॉक्स रहते हैं ना. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू हैव टू गो अक्रॉस द चैलेंज, हाउ डिटर्मिन्ड यू हैव टू बी विद योरसेल्फ दैट कम व्हाट मे, कम व्हाट मे. सुबह का 4:30 का टाइम, जब सोचा सारे लोग सो रहे होंगे ना, तब तुमको और अमेरिका वालों के लिए अपने लिए बहुत अच्छा टाइम रहता है. And she said, no, I will stand by you. I will let you know. You will be able to do it. And can you believe it? अपने को वो पोस्ट करने में 1.5 घंटा लग गया. 1.5 घंटा. जो 1-2 सेकंड की चीज को 1.5 घंटा लग गया. या और उससे पहले ना कितना कुछ क्लियर किया होगा कि ये जो भी मेरी बाधाएं हैं, जो भी मेरे लिमिटेशंस हैं, जो भी मेरे ब्लॉक्स हैं, जहां पे भी मैं कांट से फंक्शन कर रही हूँ, जहां पे भी मुझे टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे से बड़ी लग रही है, जो भी है, सच में बताऊं तो जो एक्चुअली गुजरता है ना, सिवाय उसके किसी और को इस चीज की समझ ही नहीं हो सकती, या समझ ही नहीं हो सकती, यू नो. बस, and my son would say, Mom, why are you so troubled with not getting to know technology? I said, darling, you can't understand that. You were born in a time where you were born on the computer. You get that? है ना? तो आप मुझे बोलो, माँ, आप इतनी सारी अटायर्स को पेंट बिना ड्रॉ करे कैसे कर लेती हैं, है ना? तो काश मैं भी कर सकूं. तो आपको लगता है कि आप you'll be able to do it just the day one? Yeah. And you know, that is when he stopped telling me. I said, let me take my own time to grow through it. मगर वो 1.5 घंटा जो मैंने लगाया और फर्स्ट पोस्ट जो करी, उसके बाद there was no looking back. और ये वही मालविका है जो अभी 7 मिनट पहले FB लाइव की पोस्ट ठक करके डाल के and I could sit here. Yeah, वही मालविका है who could create an Instagram page and maneuver it. And then somebody, you know, it was so nice when my niece was, you know, living with us for 2 years. And, you know, she comes one day, Masi, you can make graphics and can you just teach me? And I was just wondering, am I even capacitated to teach her? You know, this is the younger generation. They would know everything so fast. But yes, guys, whenever there is a challenge and when you are determined to go across it, you know, you create a bridge for yourself, and the confidence level that you attain for yourself is like amazing. It's like amazing, yeah. And even today, you know, even when I have a team who works behind me, you know, for postings and for YouTube videos and for thumbnails and for so many things, you know, I feel that I'm so proud that, you know, each time they will tell something which is obviously, because technology changes so fast that by the time you get used to one thing, you know, it's already changed. It's like that, you know, they'll hardly take like 3 days. It's changed. Acha, something more, and it's changed. It's like that, yeah. And how is it that I would love to learn that thing myself and do it myself, yeah? And for little things like, for somebody who's doing it, it's so easy, no? They'll say, just post it on the status. And you the damn know where status is. Hota kya hai status, yaar? है ना? अभी तक तो सिंगल और मैरिड का स्टेटस ही पता था. इतना ही पता था स्टेटस, यार. तो ये कौन सा स्टेटस की बात है? नहीं यार, व्हाट्सएप पे होता है. कहाँ होता है वो? Can you believe it? Priya is a very good, you know, she's gone through that with me, not about the status, but something else. Yeah. And I did not know the damn, what does DP mean? You get that? I'm asking, what is that? And somebody, and you know, she tells me it's display picture. Thank God for telling me. Yeah. And it's so nice when you can just get up for yourself and ask, yaar, ye nahi aata yaar, batao na. You get that? Because I had been brought up in a family which was so different. All of us have different families. But when, you know, in my marriage, I lost it all. I didn't know. लोगों को सिवाय ऐसे लगता था, पता नहीं उनको खुद आता था कि नहीं आता था, मगर दूसरे की सेल्फ एस्टीम को कुचलने का शायद एक ठेका उठा लिया होता है हमने. Isn't it? And you know, it is so nice to feel empowered and to empower somebody. Damn it, you can do anything on the planet. ये तो सिर्फ चैलेंज है. ये तो सिर्फ चैलेंज है. और माना कि ये चैलेंज है, ये रूटीन भी अच्छी लगेगी. ये रूटीन अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. ये चैलेंज है तो अच्छा है ना, क्योंकि चैलेंज है तो ग्रोथ है. चैलेंज है तो कुछ नया है. और वो नयापन जिंदगी में हर दिन में होना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. तो कुछ दिन हुए हमने क्या किया कि हमने रसगुल्ले बनाने की प्रैक्टिस करी. लोग कह रहे हैं FB लाइव पे रसगुल्ले बनाने की प्रैक्टिस हो रही, कमाल है, you know. But I really want to tell you that anything that you learn does not come always easy. या तो वो कभी 2 बार रसगुल्ले बहुत अच्छे बन गए और तीसरी बार से फ्लैट, है ना। जैसे वो फ्लैट कोक रहती है ना तो पीना अच्छा नहीं लगता यार, फिज वाली कोक का मजा ही अपना होता है। हाँ? मगर बात ये है, आर यू स्टिल डिटरमिन्ड to again make that try and go over that challenge, or will you just leave it here, है ना, कि अपने ने कौन सा गोपाल के साथ नौकरी करनी है, isn't it? गोपाल यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी स्वीट शॉप है, डार्लिंग्स, whoever's जो दूर है, हाँ? तो अपने ने कौन सा वहां रसगुल्ले बनाने की हमने कोई नौकरी करनी है, बात वो नहीं है। बात ये है, do you want to get over the challenge? Are you determined to get over? Are you desiring to feel better about yourself? Not to prove. That proving thing is just very, very far away from me now, thank God. But just to do it because that's fun, because you can. And you want to tell yourself, yeah, I am alive and kicking and bright. And what stops me from going across this challenge with determination? तो उसमें क्या है ना, 10 बारी फ्लैट भी हो गए तो क्या हो गया, क्या फिर भी क्या हो गया, सबने बड़े अच्छे से खाए ना। So everywhere that we feel we are disillusioned and everywhere we feel कि हाँ यार आज तो बड़ा ही challenging day है, और सच में बताऊं आज जब सुबह उठे ना तो कोई बहुत इतना खूबसूरत दिन नहीं लग रहा था। Yeah, generally I'd start my day with my yoga and all of that, and it was not a very bright day to look into. But that's fine. That too is fine. And then I asked myself, what are you going to do? This is a challenge in this moment. What are you going to do now? So I thought, okay, not done yoga. Would you like to go for a walk? And something inside said yes. I just bought my shoes and went for a walk. So even that half an hour, even those 35 minutes did make a difference. And going beyond the challenge is always where you find your beauty, isn't it? The beauty of rising and shining. And there is always possibility and so many possibilities beyond the challenge that is waiting, the newness that is waiting for you. Yeah. So everywhere that you have been still living in pain in your bodies, in your minds, let's talk to that pain today and ask, what is the pain about? Is that pain appreciating the change that you have made to go across the challenge? That was of not ever moving from the bed, the couch that you had been sitting on. Yes, smile, this is especially for you. Or is it that you are making the pain so significant that you will get back to square one? Yeah. So everywhere that you think that pain is making your day painful, yeah, and everywhere that you are still making it significant, not appreciating the change that you've made in the past, whatever days, yeah. So before that, things were very different, no? And I got such a beautiful message from her last night, yeah, which was like worth every word. And I think that whenever we create a change for ourselves and whenever we get across the challenge, what is the new that we encounter in our own self? Yeah, the new that we encounter in our own self. So are you ready to encounter that? Are you ready to face up, even if that challenge is always not very interesting and it's always not great to go by it? But still, if I desire to see a new face of me, then probably the only way is to stand up and to choose something and to go beyond and have and create ease for myself. Yeah. And everywhere that you have, you've been thinking, because, routines they do become boring. They do become boring. It could be just washing dishes. It could be just doing the your your work related to your job. It could be even seeing those few faces at home. Even that's a routine. Of course, it's so rightly said. It can be so boring. Yeah. Anybody here to talk about anything from whatever I said or whatever is going around? Yeah. Anything to share? Yeah, Nidhi, let's have it from. Let's not. Let's have it from you, dear. Kept off.
Yes,
Yeah.
यार मुझे क्या कहना नहीं ना, मुझे ना fear of death है इस वक्त.
Okay. Not a problem. Yeah. Oh.
तो उससे ना मुझे आवाज आ रही है
आ
क्लियर?
रही है. आ रही है.
हाँ, तो मुझे क्या होता है, जैसे ना किसी का सुनती हूँ ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे घर में हो रही.
Okay. Okay. So then
तो
what do you do about it?
बहुत कुछ करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, लेकिन बहुत टाइम लगता है उसको डिसिपेट होने में, फिर वापस आ जाता है वो कहीं ना कहीं से.
Okay. So it's been how many lifetimes behind that you have been avoiding death?
मालवी का बहुत, मैं बता नहीं सकती, मुझे उल्टी हो जाएगी, इतना तेज से कुछ हो रहा है.
हाँ तो उल्टी कर लो ना, उसको रखेंगे क्या अभी टाइम है क्या अभी रखने का, और कितने साल उनके साथ जियोगे? Yeah, you can close the screen if you think it's not a great.
निकलता नहीं, बट ऐसा लग रहा है आ जाएगी, जैसे होता है ना यहाँ निकले.
हाँ तो आ जाएगी ना, अपने से बात करते हुए आ जाएगी, कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है. Let's face, anything that you keep avoiding and anything that we think I can bypass, and everywhere you think that death is wrong, is bad. Are you in this time ready to? Are you in this time ready to die?
Yeah.
Death in physicality is good. Every day is not. And everywhere that you have claustrophied yourself with this claustrophobia of death, are you in this time ready to let all the demons of death go?
Yes. Yes.
And all the demons that you have been haunted with, all the demons that keep haunting you, all the demons that keep telling you that fear is bigger than you. And everywhere that you have forgotten what is working in you, everywhere that you have forgotten what are your dimensions, everywhere that you have always shriveled to die in relationships, everywhere that you have not allowed yourself to stand up, all the levels, all the layers, all the lifetimes, all the false beliefs that you have been working with, making them much more real, Are you in this time desiring to see what is real, to be what is real, and all the cyclic patterns? The cyclic patterns of death. That you have been living with. And everywhere that you have been dying, never expressing yourself, never voicing yourself out, never telling the world, this is who Nidhi is. And all the faces, and all the duplications, and all the masks, and all the facades of time, all the facades that were gifted to you as ancestral property. Are you in this time ready to just put it out of your system?
Yes.
And everywhere that your heart chakra, the heart chakra which is so closed, would you like to open that up?
Yes.
Everybody on call, can you please close your eyes? Let's do it. Let's clear off whatever is blocking the heart chakra. It's a chakra of love. And everywhere that you've not been able to love yourself and never allowed yourself to choose beyond or territory beyond, to be in love with yourself. Will you just take a very, very long deep breath and connect to the heart and everywhere that it is so stuck up in this moment. And all the vocal cords that just close up when it is time for you to express. And all the vocal cords that are connected to your heart. And when that heart just closes, it does not allow you to voice out the good, the bad, the ugly, to voice out the real. And everywhere that all the ancestors behind you have given you and put upon you this duty of clearing the heart and the love levels your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your great-great-grandmother, the voice of femininity, the voice of tenderness, the voice of sensitivity, everything that shows up and is still holding your heart too tight. Are you in this time ready to release all of that?
Yes.
Let's take another very long deep breath, each one here. And once more. And everywhere that you have stapled your vocal cords, everywhere that you have stapled your vocal cords and taken an oath, I shall never voice out, because there will be no peace at home. People will be reactive. My children will not stand up for me. My husband will never stand up for me. My in-laws out loud. My in-laws out loud never stand up for me. My friends will never stand up for me. Everything that keeps you stapled, will you in this time like to just open all the possible staples of the heart, of your throat, and everything that stops you. Are you in this time ready to let that out for all time? Just breathe out. Just connect to your ears and breathe out. Just ask that breath to connect to the navel, to your heart, to the heart center, to the throat, and breathe out. Let's again connect to the navel. And all the poison and all the poisonous that you have been holding on, and you were waiting for 2020 to happen. And all that poison that has been killing you, giving you disease. And all the poison that always reminds you of death as you are dying inside. Are you in this time ready to breathe out all the poison? And what if we could inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth, opening the mouth? And everywhere that you have been hallucinating of death. And everywhere that you have been deeply being hallucinated by death, are you ready to? Just let that get out, step out of your body. Never ever, never ever to trouble you ever again. Never ever. And this is in the heart now. What if you took the most brilliant rays of God, the Supreme God, and let it all in through your crown, through every cell of your crown, the brightest of golden lights, the brightest beyond your imagination. And that golden light of Supreme God is just super healing. And just take it inside, as if it is seeping into every pore of yours. And taking it down in your body, from everywhere in your head, taking it down to your face, to the ears, to the spine, to your throat, which you have just allowed to unstaple, and take it down below, to the heart. The heart center is all expanded with this beautiful, big, brilliant light, the golden light. Making the heart center all fertile once again. This light is rejuvenating every cell. It is infusing each cell with light and with love. Easing it out. The heart center is all full of light, the golden light, the light of Supreme God. The heart center has come back to shape. The size that It is meant to be. This golden light is healing. The Supreme God is all giving. That point of light that all of us look upon. This light is giving ease to every part of your body. The vocal cords as if they have come alive. The local vocal cords are telling you something. Telling you something that you are ready for voicing yourself out. And this fear of death is all gone. Completely gone from your body. Completely. Completely gone. Never to ever come back to you. Never to ever come back to haunt you. This connection with the Supreme, it's so supreme that it just takes away every possible fear. Every possible fear. And at this time, the fear of death gone and completely gone. So be with this energy and you'll be rested. You will feel less rested. And even if you've slept off, not a problem. And everywhere that you have not allowed yourself to let loose, may this light always be with you and allow you to let loose whenever it is most required. Thank you guys for joining me on Facebook Live. We shall see you soon sometimes again. So did you experience the biggest challenge today? Yeah. The biggest challenge that somebody could feel, that you're just dying. Yeah. How was it for you? She's gone off and she's not going to get up with another 3 hours. But I think it was a new experience. Yeah. And how is it? It's so nice to be live when you can experience that along with someone who's going through so much of.
I'm better.
So good. Amazing. That's so nice.
But I felt like I will sleep, so I lie down. Like my close his eyes, but I am listening now at least.
Yeah, great. And you allow yourself to sleep for some time. Let the energies maximize. And let the energies penetrate in the rest of your body and give you ease. Like we give time to the wound to heal. That is how when the energies work, let's give the energies time to penetrate and maximize whatever they are here for. Because they are here for a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, so good.
My tears are also coming simultaneously. I don't know how to tell you. But whatever it is, I am letting go everything right now.
Great.
And
so good.
Thank you for your contribution, Malvika.
Thank you for coming in. You created that contribution, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. The other day you were talking and telling me, I said, no, you come on calls. When you come on calls, it's something different. Yeah.
Yeah.
सबकी बातें सुन के क्या करेंगे ना?
And you won't believe I went for toilet in between and you just called my name. And I was immediately I said, I'm here.
So good.
Thank you.
So good, yeah. That's so nice. Had a good time, and it was a good Super Sunday, splendid Sunday. And I think we've entered a different level of silence today. Yeah. And have a lovely Sunday, guys. Anything to share? Yeah. Natasha, there was something to share? Yeah? See that? Yeah.
Yeah, Malvika, it was like the first time when I listened to her कि उसको डेथ का इतना डर है, तो सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये फील हुआ कि वाओ रब्बा कितनी ब्लेस हूँ मैं कि मुझे ऐसी सोच नहीं है. और थैंक्स टू हर कि उसने अपना ये डर सबके सामने दिखाया. एंड नोइंगली एंड अननोइंगली एक बार तो मुझे ये भी लगा कि मैं मतलब मेरे वाकई डर नहीं है या मुझे लग रहा है, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू डाउट योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट ना, कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं क्या मेरे जब सामने आ जाएगी तब डरूंगी क्या मैं, ये ऐसे ही डर नहीं है. तो मुझे लगा शायद वो सामने वाला थोड़ा डर बाकी था जो इस कॉल पे वो भी निकल गया. So it was really good. Thank you for sharing. सबसे अच्छी बात होती है कि जब बाहर से कोई भी जब आते हैं, सामने आते इतने लोग, तो उनकी कोई बात निकलती है तो अपनी भी कहीं अंदर छिपी हुई ना चीजें बाहर आती हैं. अदरवाइज तो कोई चीज हम अवेयर ही नहीं होते. समटाइम
So many times
we are not aware.
Actually, most of the times.
And even if we are aware, we don't want to admit that. That is also there. Thanks for sharing, and it was really a very good call. अंदर से बहुत कुछ निकलता है, कई बार मन ही नहीं करता बात करने का. बस जब आप पूछते हो ना तो कई बार लगता है लफ्ज बहुत है पर बोलने का मन नहीं है. थैंक यू.
मालविका, मैं भी कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. ये लगता है कि ये जो क्लियरिंग थी ना, वो शायद मुझे भी चाहिए थी. ये जब इन्होंने बोला उससे 5 या 7 दिन पहले मैंने ज्वाइन किया, एंड इन्होंने वो टॉपिक उठाया, और जैसे इन्होंने टॉपिक उठाया, बस माय टीयर्स बस रोलिंग आउट ऑफ माय आईज. ये ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ कंसेप्चुअल कोई ऐसा कोई चीज है जिसकी वजह से मैं इतना हैवी महसूस कर रही हूँ टाइम से, जो कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि क्यों है, इसका हैवीनेस क्यों है. और आप जैसे आज आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे थे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो हैवीनेस मेरे अंदर से भी निकल रही है. जो आप कह रहे थे कि वोकल कॉर्ड बंद है, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि सच में कुछ तो है, कुछ दबा हुआ है. मैं पहले कुछ बोलती थी तो अजीब सा ही बोलती थी, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ तो कमी है, क्यों समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझसे कि क्या करना है.
बट कहीं ना कहीं ये कोई प्रॉब्लम है जो कि इन्होंने, आई एम थैंकफुल टू हर कि इन्होंने मतलब बहुत सारी क्लियरिंग हम सबको अनजाने में दे दी और ऐसी ब्लेसिंग दे दी अनजाने में, क्योंकि इससे हम सभी लोग दूर भागते हैं और कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम हम सबके लाइफ में है, तभी इन कॉल्स पे हम यहाँ पे हैं। और मतलब एक दूसरे को, चाहे हम इसको कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे उस वक्त की, मैं एक्चुअली कर रही थी कि इनकी लाइफ से ये प्रॉब्लम चली जाए, और एक्चुअली शायद मैं अपनी लाइफ से भी निकाल रही थी कि जो भी डर है, जो भी कुछ भी गलत है वो भी निकल जाए। तो इतना मतलब टीएस के फॉर्म में वो जा रहा था और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई एम कनेक्टिंग टू गॉड कि हाँ ठीक है, जो भी हो गया हमसे, चाहे किसी भी जन्म में कोई भी गलती हुई है, हमें नहीं पता, अनजाने में हुई है, और हम सबको ब्लेस करो, हम जितने भी हैं, और जो वो उन्होंने जिन्होंने भी हमसे ब्लेसिंग्स मांगी है वो उन सबको आप ब्लेस करो। तो मतलब इतने अंदर से निकल रहा था कि इतना नेचुरली निकल रहा था, और ऐसा लग रहा था कि हमारे एंसेस्टर्स जो है वो उसको सुन रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि जाओ, अब तुम्हें माफ कर दिया, अब तुम अपनी जिंदगी को जी लो। तो मतलब कि बहुत जरूरी था शायद इस क्लियरिंग को मांगना, और पता नहीं किसकी वजह से हम कहाँ पे पहुंच जाएंगे, आई डोंट नो, कि हम लोग अब अपने पुराने जितने भी पाप हैं, या जो भी हमारा कुछ गलती हो गई है, या जो एंसेस्टर्स ने हमें कुछ कराना है, या कौन सी लेयर पे हम लोग कभी
तुम बिलीव करती हो पाप में?
नहीं, मतलब कुछ तो हुआ होगा, कुछ गलती हुई होगी, आई डोंट नो।
Really? Is that there? I'm just asking you, rechecking on you.
नहीं मतलब कुछ तो हुआ ही होगा ना, मतलब कभी तो कुछ गलती
ऐसे है कि if I recheck you, I would have not rechecked. It's the end of the call. मगर is it leaving a question in your head? Is it कि गलती हुई है, or is it that the ancestors behind find you capable of clearing this out because they could not forgive this? And there's a very big difference to it, darling. Please check it out with yourself. Okay.
But I am so thankful to her and so thankful to you and everybody on the group कि आज शायद जो उन्होंने अपने लिए किया, बट वो शायद मेरे लिए भी और हम सबके लिए भी बहुत 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 वो ब्लेसिंग्स के फॉर्म में था, एंड हमें अपनी कैपेबिलिटी पता चली कि हम एक दूसरे को भी हील कर सकते हैं।
Absolutely.
हम कनेक्टेड हैं एक दूसरे से।
So nice.
Thank you, Malvika, to you, and thank you to her.
Thank you, guys. And, have an amazing Sunday. हाँ जी इंदु जी, सॉरी देखा नहीं मैंने। हाँ जी बोलिए। नहीं रुकिए तो म्यूट अनम्यूट से म्यूट तो। हाँ जी बोलिए, आप बोलिए।
हाँ, मेरे को मतलब जैसे जब से कॉल वगैरह हो रही है ना, अंदर की शांति, मतलब और मतलब कोई मतलब किसी तरह का मतलब जैसे वो डर चीज है, मतलब वो ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब ये है क्या वर्ड डर। और एवरी टाइम ना मेरे को होता है कि चलो मैं मतलब इधर उधर बात वगैरह को छोड़ के अपना वॉक कर लूँ, जैसे हम सोसाइटी में है तो वी कैन वॉक कर लेन, तो कर ली, उससे रखता हूँ, कमरे में आके पढ़ लिया कुछ, मतलब एटलीस्ट। और रात को इमेजिन मैं 11:30 के बाद सोई और 3:30 बजे मेरी आँख खुली और मैं आराम से उठी, बाहर गई, अपना बालकनी में तारे वगैरह देखी, मतलब बड़ा कूल, मतलब अभी तक मैं उसके बीच में मैं सोई नहीं हूँ। और जब कॉल शुरू हुई ना, अच्छा लगा मेरे को, मैंने बाहर वॉक भी किया मॉर्निंग में भी, एंड देन अपना मेडिटेशन ये वो आराम से कूल ली।
आज एक चीज नोटिस
चीज आ गई है ना अंदर।
आज एक चीज नोटिस करी आपने?
आवाज कट रही है आपकी।
मैंने कहा आज आपने एक चीज नोटिस करी कि आज आप पहले दिन कॉल पे टाइम से पहले थे, फर्स्ट डे।
क्या हाँ या और जिस टाइम मैं कॉल बैठी थी ना मालविका, उस टाइम रानी मेरे को जब कुछ गड़ रहा था या कुछ था, और जब आप ये अब करा है क्लियरिंग, तो उस टाइम मैं एकदम जैसे ना खुल गई। जब कॉल पे बैठी हूँ ना, मतलब आप जैसे पूछ रहे थे, कर रहे थे, मैं बोलना चाह रही थी, बोल नहीं पा रही थी। ये क्लियरिंग करने से उनकी वजह से थैंक्स, मतलब कि पता नहीं क्या हुआ, और आपसे क्लियरिंग करा के मतलब जैसे अंदर खुद हो रहा था कि मैं बोलूं, पहले वो मनप्रीत बोली और वो बोली, उससे मेरा मतलब मैं बार बार चाह रही थी कि मैं बोलूं। उससे पहले जब आप स्टार्टिंग में पूछ रहे थे तो मैं मतलब कोशिश कर रही थी, पर मैं कर नहीं पा रही थी।
So good.
इन सब से मतलब काफी अब मेरा पता है कि मैं क्या था, कहाँ थी, मतलब आई एम एट पीस। उससे कनेक्ट होने को बार बार दिल करता, आज आप क्वेश्चन पूछो कर, मतलब वो बढ़ती जा रही।
So nice, no?
थैंक्स।
That's so nice.
और थैंक्स इनका भी, जिसकी वजह से हमारी ये सारी, शायद हमारा भी कुछ जहाँ था वो जो निकल गया।
शायद अभी भी शायद है
Thanks a lot.
क्या? अभी भी क्या शायद है कि शायद निकल गया हो, है ना? फिर बाहर ही बैठा है, अभी आ जाएगा अंदर, है ना?
नहीं शायद नहीं, श्योर नहीं,
हाँ, अमेजिंग।
नहीं शायद तो
अगर
है ही
ये
नहीं ना अब आपके साथ। अब तो जो है वो है।
so good, darling. So
थैंक यू
nice,
मालिका,
so
थैंक्स अ
nice,
लॉट।
so nice to listen to all of you. अच्छा जी, अब के लिए मेरे ख्याल बाय कहते हैं, है ना? और बहुत खूबसूरत सा दिन बिताइएगा. Have a nice Sunday. Yeah.
Thank you, Malvika. This is really turning out to be a very different Sunday. Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys, and see you. Bye.